everybody for attending Automotive Testing Expo 2018 and the Measurement Instruments reception here this evening. And thank you so much for your confidence in Measurement Instruments over the years. We appreciate the opportunity to work with you and your test engineers and working to solve the applications that you have. My name, if you don't know, is Mike Gwynn. I'm the Measurement Instruments president, and we're excited to be here, very much excited to be here. This reception is just a small token of our appreciation for you, our customers. You, our customers, are our bloodline. You are our lifeline. You are us. We appreciate it very much. Again, the confidence that you put in us. And we have a commitment at Measurement Instruments to make sure that we provide you with what you would expect from any quality supplier. And that would be, I'm selfish, I gotta have the floor. We have a commitment to provide you with engineering expertise, intelligence, the ability to understand your applications, honesty and fairness, the ability to work and willingness to work hard, and the ability and willingness to roll up our sleeves and work with you on the projects that you're tasked with. And again, I appreciate that very much. And what I'd like to do, when I use my cheat sheet, I would like to take a minute to acknowledge and appreciate the companies and that we work with, the suppliers that are actually responsible for this event tonight. So if I could do that, and use my cheat sheet and talk about Amatec VTI with their data acquisition and test systems. Also NeuroPC, industrial computers for just about any application. Fluke calibrators. I don't know if you've maybe never heard of Fluke, but Fluke calibrators for calibrating just about any parameter. And I say thank you, Greg Menard, for keeping us in business. Thank you for General Motors. Flow Technology with their flow meters, test and measurement flow meters. GP50, a full line of pressure transducers. IMV, single and multi-axis electrodynamic shakers and test systems. Menser, pressure calibrators and controllers. Sensor Data, burster, torque sensors, appreciate that very much. Silicon Designs, what are they name? Katie, help me out, what are they name? Accelerometers. Accelerometers. And they make the MEMS accelerometers, and they make the sensor that's used, I hate to tell you this, maybe I shouldn't, but they use the sensors that are used in a lot of our competitors' accelerometers. So Silicon Designs is a leader in single and multi-axis accelerometers. TechSense, embedded sensors for temperature and pressure. Check out their stuff in the booth there. Toner high-speed programmable DC supplies and arbitrary waveform generators, DC power supplies, arbitrary waveform generators with a lot of power behind it. Yokogawa with their power meters, data acquisition systems, high-speed data acquisition systems, and digital storage oscilloscopes. And I think they're gone, but I also did want to thank very much the Michigan National Guard for bringing in the M1117 armored security vehicle, the Guardian, and I appreciate that very much. They were here, I think, and they probably left, but my hat is off to those guys for serving, I have to say. And so that I don't miss anybody, please, we get a number of the 28-person Measurement Instruments team are here this evening. I'm just going to ask you to raise your hand real quickly. Feel free to grab them if you would, chat with them about your applications. If you have questions about the products or applications, grab them, please. We've got Denny Lovell, Vice President of Sales, with his beautiful wife right there, Barb. And Mark Smith, Vice President of Technology. He is... There he is right there. Okay, Mark, raise your hand. There you go. Thank you, sir. Tony Cecilia, Michigan team member. Michael Kitchen, Michigan team member. Lino Giamatto, Michigan team member. Deanna Bernard is a Michigan team member. Jim Piles in the Indianapolis office. He's attached to the Michigan office. Jim?
Over here. He's right here.
Right there. Thank you. Sergio Mariani, if you have no problem with Italians, I hope. Sergio Mariani is... Dayton office. We like Italians, EY Italians. We like it, we do, Sergio, we really do. Walter Firth in our Dayton office is a calibration expert. Stan Toffel, Cleveland office. Thank you, Stan. We have Kevin Weaver out of the Western Pennsylvania office. Over here, Kevin Weaver, thank you, sir. Brendan DeSalvatore, finance manager in Blairsville. There we go. And Darren Kinter, industrial engineer in the Pennsylvania office. Jack Fesco is a business unit manager in the Pennsylvania office. Ryan Kelly is marketing and sales in the Pennsylvania office. Josh Gwynn is in the Philadelphia office. Josh, where are you? There's Josh down there. He's a fart smeller, smart feller. Jason Rodling is Frederick, Maryland office. He didn't even have to raise his hand. He's how tall? 6'5" or something. Andrew Schultz is in the Virginia office. Andrew back there, thank you. And once again, all I want to do is just say a heartfelt thank you to all of you for attending and for your confidence in Measurement Instruments and the suppliers that the companies that we represent that support the products that they supply. I just have to say thank you so much for your confidence in us, and let's continue to excel. Let's continue to be the world's leader. Let's continue to be the world's leader in transportation technology, and we are. Let's continue and make it better and better and better. I want to thank you again and say enjoy. Thanks for the break here. Apologize for interrupting. Enjoy your evening very much. And again, thank you.